Hi everybody, it's Evie with Wonderland Adventure Company, your Disney travel planning experts, and today we are going to talk about mobile ordering. So right now at the Disneyland Resort, everything is pretty much mobile order. So you really need to be able to process the order on your phone because they're not taking any cash at the location where you would pick up your food. This is not something that we're used to here at Disneyland Resort. It was kind of an added convenience that was here before the park closure, but now that the park is open again, it's a necessity. So we're actually going to place an order today for a Dole Whip. Now, keep in mind that when you start your mobile order, it's going to make you select a time. So you can't show up to that location until that time. Now, as soon as that time hits, then you'll be able to say, I'm here, and they'll start preparing your order. You'll go down to the restaurant that you're looking for to place your mobile order, and then we're gonna select our menu items. So here we have our Dole Whip, and we're gonna add it to the cart. You can add whatever else you'd like to the cart, and then you can go ahead and go to the checkout. Now, you do need to have a credit card on file, so you can update it at the time of your order, or you can go ahead and use the card that's already on file, and then you're going to go ahead and place your order. So we're putting our order in now to make sure that by the time we get to Adventureland, we can tell them that we're here and they can start working on the order. So you really need to make those time accommodations. You don't want to say, hey, I'm really super hungry right now, and let's find somewhere to eat and I'll do a mobile order, because that mobile order might not be available for 2 hours and you still haven't found anything to eat. So just make sure that you guys are planning accordingly so you can enjoy that Dole Whip. Okay, so we stopped over here at Rancho de Zocalo to get some water, and we got an alert that our order was ready to be prepared. So now what we're gonna do is you have to go into the app and say that you're here, go ahead and start preparing my order. So we're gonna go ahead and do that right now. Now, we're not cheating or anything because it is right around the corner, so it's not that we're super far away. And because it is ice cream, we don't want it to melt. So we'll just go ahead and hit prepare order. And then once it's prepared, you get an alert on your phone to go ahead and walk up to the window. So we're gonna do that right now. Okay, so we've gotten our alert that our food order is ready. So now we're gonna go pick it up. A little bit of side note. Normally, for the Dole Whips, you would go to the Enchanted Tiki Room entrance, which is just around the corner over here where the Adventureland sign is. Right now, the only place where they have Dole Whip is over here at the Tropical Hideaways. So that's where we're going to pick up our order, and we just show them this on our phone.
Hi there, do we have a mobile order? Perfect, go ahead through the right-hand side up to that counter for me. Yesterday, I saw a bird. Oh, don't worry. I want to cheer.
Thank you, just one. Thank you. And here we go. Okay guys, so don't forget to check out our other videos, and we hope you enjoyed this one on mobile ordering. Don't forget to like and subscribe and ring that notification bell.